For this problem, we have two scenarios. We have Ella, and then we have Claire. Ella is going to drive for half an hour. Claire also leaves at 1 o'clock, and she drives for 1 hour because she arrives at 2 p.m. And the total distance between the two of them is 67.5 miles. And we're looking for the speed. Now we know that distance equals rate times time. So Ella's rate is getting multiplied by half an hour. Claire's rate is getting multiplied by 1 hour. And together, they are traveling a distance of 67.5. So we're combining like terms, and we wind up with 1.5 R equals 67.5. Divide by 1.5. $67.5 divided by 1.5 is 45 miles per hour.